tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. Kenapa ya harus sikat diri yang dari sisa sakit? Imsa.
Maybe a burger.
Oh, you're on a burger. Yes, girl.
Are you sure you're on a burger?
I was thinking that I want wings, but they come with the salad and no fries. Unless I order the wings with the salad and then I order the fries, pizza fries. Because I can't have a salad alone, though.
You give it a try, Mama. I know that it's hot. But it's so
Oh, it won't let you. It won't. Hey guys, I hope you guys can hear me. Halfway through the vlog, we have an intro. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So when I started this vlog, my friend and I just went out to celebrate her birthday. That was on the 24th. When did we go? On the 24th of December. That was a day before her birthday. We went to celebrate. We went to, I forgot the name of the place, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. So we went there. They have like a very nice menu, which I showed you guys. So I had the duck roll. It was very nice. Almost tastes like chicken. My friend had a goat burger. We both didn't like it. We also had mimosas. It was a chill day. We had fun. It was sunny. We looked cute. It was just the day that she needed, you know. So I came to Mahalape on the 25th in the morning. I didn't really vlog because I felt like I was up to nothing. My family didn't do anything for Christmas, so well, we had a bride later on, and then it rained, and then it was just a mess. So I didn't vlog much that day, really. So today is the 30th. Yesterday was the 29th. That's when we came here. We are in Cresta, by the way. Riley's grandmother came to pick her up. Obviously, we are co-parenting, so we would have Riley for Christmas and then she'd have Riley for New Year's. So she came to pick her up. She's like, why don't you just check into a hotel and just chill and have fun? We're like, sure, girl. Good idea. So yeah, we came here yesterday. We chilled, we had dinner, chilled a bit more, came here, watched TV, you know, all that stuff. Obviously, there's nothing to do in Cresta, really. So yeah, that's what we did. It is the morning of the 30th. They are about to leave, but we're gonna have breakfast. I think I'm gonna shower now because I'm still sleeping. So I think I'm gonna take a shower. Then we can go have breakfast, then go check on my aunt and my uncle. She's just gonna see them and say hi. Then they're gonna leave. I'm gonna stay here obviously till like next year. So yeah, I just thought let me update you guys because I've been doing everything. You know, I forgot to take my PJs, by the way, so I slept in this dress. Somewhere at the back. So yeah, I slept in that, and then this hair drop because I did my hair yesterday. Just did these lines. I refused for 2021 to end Kisikipiri this hairstyle. So yeah, this is me. Looks cute. Yeah. Just saying goodbye to bad hair days. 2022, I'm not doing that, honey, okay? Anyway, let's go. I think I'm gonna shower. I feel weird about bathtubs, especially in like a public area like this one. So I'm just gonna take a shower, wear a cute little dress, yeah, then go have breakfast. I didn't have time to swim because we came here late yesterday. Riley also wanted to swim, but there was no time for that. And then today the weather is quite funny. It might rain, or Siri says it's gonna rain about 11-12. So I don't think there's time for us to swim. Plus they should go. So it is what it is. So yeah, catch you guys later. So yeah, I'm done getting ready. That is my cute little dress. That is the bag. Hope you guys can see. Let me just stand here. That is the bag. Yeah, so I'm just gonna spray this perfume. Gonna spray this perfume. I love it so much. Thank you to Refile for this perfume. I need to thank her every day, guys. I cannot focus, but yeah, I really, really, really like this. Bye. See you next time.
All alone, yeah, I should've known.
Pepper hair.
So cute. Bruno and Max.
Get that one to the video. Oh, bye. Should apply some lip gloss. Sharp. Wow. botshelo o mo busa my lord. My lord. Murderer. Hi guys, happy new year. Today is the 1st of Jan 2022 and it's gonna be weird saying happy new year because I'm gonna post this video late. I think I have 2 other videos then I'm gonna post before this one when I gather the strength to actually edit. So yeah, but today I just shot some snippets of us cooking. My boyfriend and I were cooking lunch. Well, now it's late lunch. His family is gonna come over and we're all gonna eat. So yeah, I will show you guys like everything after dishing up for myself. But we have chicken, grilled chicken, we have boroso, we have rice, we have butternut, we have green salad and chakalaka. And then for dessert we have just the truffle. Anyways, so yeah, I just thought let me say hi because of late my vlogs have just been me showing you guys what I'm showing you guys and not actually talking to you guys. So I hope I will be able to rectify that starting with this vlog, like starting right now. So yeah, right now we are just chilling on the couch. We're honestly done with everything. We had said they can come at 2:30 to 3. So here's the thing, we decided this morning that we'd actually host them, or they asked, so we couldn't say no. But we were with my family in the morning. They killed a chicken, so we said that we're gonna have that with them later on. But when his family said, because they're about to go, and they said we should host them, we're like, sure, no problem. So we're hoping that kind of come early so that we eat, wrap up, and then we can go to my house, like my family. Yeah, basically not my house but my family. Maybe later. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later though. Guys, the other ones we just called, they said they're on their way, so I kind of waited like 10 minutes nyana, and then I'm now warming the food because obviously we cooked a while ago. Well, some were still warm, but you know, I love hot food. I love like really, really fresh and hot food. So I automatically assume everybody likes it that way. So yeah, I did warm the food. Well, I'm currently warming the food. So yeah, I was just washing the glasses and everything because obviously it's just the 2 of us when I'm here. When I'm not, it's just him. So most of the things are kind of dusty. So yeah, I've just been trying to wash the glasses so we have a drink, and then bowls that we're going to use for dessert, as well as the cutlery that we're going to use. So yeah, that's just about it. My phone is charging, so I wasn't showing you guys like everything, but I'll show you guys some of the things. I'm so tired. Anyway, bye. Let me go finish up.